Students go through numerous experiences in their everyday lives. And these experiences hold a tremendous amount of science potential.
When students are first learning in the very formative younger years of life, they're learning with their parents, their everyday experiences and learning go hand in hand. Once they enter school, however, they become decoupled.
The experiences they have in school tend to be more structured. A lot of time, students don't resonate with what the teachers are teaching. It's not something that they think they would use in their everyday life. They have important, significant experiences in their everyday life, but those are not necessarily related to what they are learning at school.
We want to try and find ways to connect these everyday experiences to things that they learn inside of the classroom.
The vision behind the Connected Learning Project is to close the gap between students' real-life experiences at home and what they're learning in school by capturing those experiences and enabling the teacher to use them in lesson creation.
In the Connected Learning Project, a student will use a wearable device that they can use to record audio notes to capture their everyday experiences that they think are interesting.
So say a student is riding down the road on their bike, they're observing how friction between the wheel and the ground affects their ride. They'll record kind of those experiences on the fly in the moment.
Those everyday experiences would be moved to a student portal and a teacher portal. They are reviewed and finalized, then they are sent to a lesson planning tool that the teacher can use to look at the students' everyday experiences from their whole class, and they can filter and select which experiences they want to integrate into their lesson plan.
We looked at a lot of existing literature and found that integrating these real-life experiences into teaching has led to positive learning outcomes for the students. But we also found that integrating these experiences is challenging for teachers because teachers already have a lot on their plate.
Teaching is not just 9 to 5, it's all the time. And so when you want to keep on top of what's going on with our students, when we want to have authentic experiences in our classrooms, then we have to move quickly. So having software where you can say, okay, these are the experiences that they're having. Will you please create this lesson plan for me? It saves so much time. I'm very excited about that.
We want to find school administrators, we want to find teachers whose values and whose vision kind of matches with what ours is. If we can help students be more curious of things that they are going through in their everyday lives, I think that would be a great outcome for this project.
They have so many different experiences that they're coming from with their families and culture and religion and ethnicity that are really dynamic and really great to bring into the classroom and to talk about and to celebrate. It pulls the student in to share more, and when one student shares, then another student wants to share, and that's when education and learning and teaching really gets exciting. It gets students thinking about the world around them, and that's really, as a teacher, what we want.